This one is an Italian favourite, a delicious hearty Italian beef casserole. Looks and tastes delicious. Welcome to Gavins Home Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful Italian beef casserole. Stick around to the end. I've got a little tip on how to make this sauce nice and thick, but let's get cooking. So we start off with 1.5 kilos of beef, which is diced, and we're going to add some flour to it. I'm going to mix that flour in just to try and coat all of the beef. Once our beef is coated in flour, we're going to fry this off in batches. So we chuck some oil in our wok I'm using here. Once it's had a chance to heat up, we add half our beef in, and we want to keep stirring this until it's browned. This should probably take about 7 or 8 minutes. That's the brown that we're looking for. So remove the first batch. Put our pan back on and we do the second half. And once again, just do the same thing. Fry it off for about 7 or 8 minutes. And then add it to our bowl. And we're just going to place that to the side for a moment. Next we add an onion. And just give that a little bit of a stir in. Just to mix it up, break up any clumps of onion. Add a good generous tablespoon of garlic. Again, just mix that in as well. Add some chilli flakes. And then we're just going to add in about 140 ml of red wine. Turn our heat up a little bit. Just keep mixing this in until our wine is reduced by about half. Take your 6-litre slow cooker, add our beef, add our onion mixture, can of tomatoes, tomato paste, some diced capsicum, some dried oregano, and then our vegetable stock. Then we're going to put some fresh basil leaves on top, and we want to mix this all in and get it all nice and incorporated into the liquid. Add a couple of bay leaves. And then we're going to cover and let this cook for about 7.5 hours. During that time, be sure to give it a stir every couple of hours as well. Next, we're going to add in our zucchini. And about 200 grams of brown mushrooms. Then we want to season it with some salt. And also some black pepper. We're going to mix it all in again. And lastly, add a cornstarch slurry. So I've used about 3 teaspoons of cornstarch with a couple of tablespoons of water. Mix it in, add it in, mix it all, and then cover again for another half an hour. And this is what we get, this beautiful Italian casserole. It's got beautiful thick gravy. I can't wait to taste this. Now I'm serving mine with some mashed potato that I've already made. Just ladle your casserole over the top. How good does that look? That beef looks so tender. There's only one thing left to do now, and that's to give this a taste. It smells absolutely delicious. And I've served mine with some mashed potato. That is delicious. Yeah, very nice. So, I already served everyone up dinner, and I've also got a dish left over for tomorrow. But this has been another Gavins home kitchen recipe. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give us a like and subscribe. It costs nothing, but it helps our channel grow. And we'll see you in the next recipe. Bye for now.